Hello, my name is Olivia Snyder from Mount Spokane, and I will be making a dilute solution of boric acid for a procedure. So to start, I have washed my hands and sanitized my lab station, and will now be putting on gloves and eye protection to protect myself. Now that I have my gloves on and my eye protection, I can begin. But I do have the math to show how much of my solution I will be needing. Since I have a stock solution of 1 part per 200 of boric acid, I have calculated that I will need 30 milliliters of water and 20 milliliters of the solute in order to get my desired 50 milliliters of my 1 part per 500 solution. So to begin, I will be pouring 30 milliliters of this distilled water into this graduated cylinder. I went a little bit over. So I'm getting the meniscus just to the 30 mark. It is just under, so I will repeat this. And right at 30. So I will now be pouring this into an empty beaker. Now, since I have this 30 milliliters of distilled water, I will be using a pipette to transfer my 20 milliliters of stock solution. So now that I have the sterile pipette, I can take my solution of boric acid, verifying again that this is indeed what I need, inserting my pipette so the tip is just below the surface, and now drawing up the liquid. And since I have a 10 milliliter pipette, I will do this twice in order to get the 20 milliliters that is needed. I'll be going just to the line and carefully, before inserting it into my solution, verifying that there's no extra liquid on the side, and then inserting this into my beaker with water. And I will now clear my pipette and repeat this process. Once again, verifying it is the 10 milliliters that I need. I can draw at this side, being careful not to touch the tip of the pipette to verify I have everything I need. Then I will add the other 10 milliliters. Once again, fully clearing my pipette. And I can now discard the tip of this pipette in my biohazard receptacle. And now that that is complete, I have my 1 part per 500 solution, and it is, if you can see, 50 milliliters. There it is, 50 milliliters. The correct solution. And yes, once again, it is the correct solution of boric acid. Now I can clean my lab station by dispensing everything into the biohazard receptacle, disinfecting it with disinfectant wipes, and placing my used beakers to be cleaned. And finally, removing my gloves and also putting them in the biohazard bin. Thank you.